with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, today, NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, they put out their winter outlook, and it's based on the fact that we don't have El Nino, we don't have a La Nina, we have no long-term pattern except just a neutral weather pattern right now, and that's going to persist into the spring. So what is going to drive the winter weather this year? It's going to be short-term weather patterns, and those are hard to predict except for 2 weeks out. So it's going to be rather variable here through the winter, especially in the northern plains where they're going to see those Arctic intrusions occasionally. They did put out the temperature forecast showing we have a better chance of seeing warmer than average temperatures here in South Texas, while the cooler weather will remain well to the north, averaging out pretty close to normal. And they also have us in drier weather. Not good because we are already dry, but this is just a forecast. We'll see how it pans out. But for now, that is today's forecast that was put out by NOAA. As far as dry, yes, it has been. Look at all these months we've seen below average rainfall, including October now. We're over halfway through the month and we're 1.8 inches below where we should be. We could use the rain, as you can see from our drought monitor. This is last week's. Now I'm going to put this week's on here, and you can see this severe drought area has expanded a little bit, and now we have that extreme drought expanding once again in western Duval and in through brush country. So looking for some rain. All we got today was a little bit. We had a few hundredths of an inch. The airport picked up 2/100ths of an inch of rain. We had 8/100ths at Port Aransas, and we still have some showers right along the coast right now. However, those aren't going to last too much longer. You can see they're pulling off the coastline, and we have some drier air that's going to work its way in from the west as the upper level wave that caused the clouds today, it's pushing off the coast now. Rain farther to the south, we have a tropical system sitting there we're going to talk about here in just a minute. So right now, temperatures are very mild, a very fall-like day out there, 60s and 70s. The winds coming in lightly from the northeast right now with a 15-mile-an-hour wind at the Naval Air Station. The winds die down tonight, the skies break up, and it's still very mild tonight. In fact, down to 59 in our inland areas, lower to mid-60s closer to the coast. Corpus Christi down to 62 by morning, and upper 60s right at the beaches. Tomorrow, look for more sunshine. It's going to be a brighter day than today, and it is going to be warming up tomorrow. We're back into those 80s, and we'll see those winds coming in from the east by afternoon. They're going to stay light, and those temperatures are much warmer than we saw today, reaching near low 80s at the coastline and upper 80s as you head inland. Now we have the weekend, a hot weekend in store. We are going to see temperatures climbing this weekend. The breezes pick up on Sunday, so a summer-like weekend, but that isn't going to last too long because we have another front back in here. That'll be here Monday around midday, early afternoon. It's going to cool us down. Meanwhile, we have a tropical system. This is expected to be a tropical storm here within the next 24 hours. It is not coming here. It's heading to the north and east, and it looks like it's going to stay away from us. We may see a slight increase in surf because of it, but all in all, it looks like this tropical storm, which once it's named, it'll be Nestor. That one will move to the north and east. For us, we're just going to have a hot weekend here, drier conditions, lots of sunshine, and then we see our next cold front bringing a chance of rain Monday, and it's going to bring changeable weather Monday. We make it into the 80s, then we drop right back down, and we're cooler by Monday night. Take a look at the 7-day forecast. This is brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation will purchase your car even if you don't purchase a vehicle from them. Shop now at the AutoNation lot near you. So tomorrow we start warming up. We have more sunshine all the way through the weekend. Sunday, though, a few more clouds. And temperatures at night warm back into the lower to mid 70s. There's the change for Monday, a little bit of rain, cooling temperatures down to 58 Monday night. And then we start warming back up through Thursday, but this front, that one's really going to drop our temperatures by Thursday night.